LDCE GDCE.
Hello friends, this is video on a new change for AOM, ACM, APO and other departmental Group B exam. This video is based on all latest changes which is changed by Railway Board in July 2020, and the exam will be based on the CBT. So new pattern for LDC 30% as well as 70%. So here we are going to see the changes. In promotions to Group B post on Indian Railway, Railway introduced CBT, Centralized Computer Based Objective Type Examination in all departments having organized services. So now computer based examination is going to be conducted, objective type, number 1 change. This CBT objective type examination is for conducting 70% selection and also for 30% LDCE in all departments. This will come into force from 1st of January 2023, but wherever in any zone if pre-qualifying examination not held up, he has to conduct through new CBT pattern only. Suppose pre-qualifying already conducted, then old pattern. If not conducted, he has to go through the new pattern. The CBT shall be conducted by DG Nair. DG Nair, he will prepare everything and he will arrange. LDC will be one stage only. Good message, good changes, and will comprise of only one paper, single paper of 150 marks, 100% objective type, in which 80 marks from technical or professional subject, 40 marks from GK, plus 15 question extra, but that will be optional from official language. In this we have to tick only 40 questions. 30 marks from establishment and financial rules. Qualifying marks is 90 only. Out of 150 it is only 90. So here qualifying marks is now 60% only. Previously it was 75%. The duration of exam for 150 questions will be 3 hours. Viewers, please note that still question paper have 175 question, out of which 150 questions are to be attempted. Means marks is 150, so we should attempt 150 only. So be careful, don't go with the 175 all, because already 15 questions extra from Rajbhasha and 10 question extra from professional subjects. Every question have 1 marks. Negative marking is there. For every incorrect, 1/3 marks will be deducted. Examination for 30% LDCE will be held on a single day only. On the same day, APO exam will be held in the second shift, so that candidates who have appeared in a exam of AMM, ACM, AOM, they can appear in APO also. Railway wise list of candidates along with marks scored by them in the written examination will be prepared by DG Nair and will be furnished to respective zones and PUs. Means we are not going to fight on centralized level, but we are going to fight on the seat actually given by our zones. Some tentative date they are given in that circular. All notification must be issued till 15th of July. Cut-off date for submission of option till 31st of July. Finalization of eligibility list is 15th August. Pre-selection training to be completed by 31st August. Examination date mid of September, and finalization of the panel, medical, viva, including assessment of APAR up to October. Best wishes to all viewers. Thank you.